Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds hold and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks,
"To-dip, to-dank, to-dark."
So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The cold pip-pop, and the wind does not stop. But the bear snores on. To glowing eyes sneak peek in the den, Mouse cries,
"Who are there?"
and a hare hops in.
"Hello, miss."
Say hare,
"Long time, no see."
so they pop white corn, and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air.
"I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I have brought honey nuts."
Badger says with a grin.
"Let's divvy them up. Cozy down. And dig in."
And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear raw true. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And bear wakes up, bear gnarls, and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles.
"You have snuck in my lair and you have all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none."
And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and bear blubbles on. Mouse squeaks,
"Do not fret, do not fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea."
Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear cannot sleep, but his friends snore on.